Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This is step index 5 minute time frames, and I want to show you the best and accurate way for you to trade this particular step index. So if you're a fan of step index, this indicator is one of the best indicator that can change your story, that can change your life entirely if you truly want to understand how market works. So this indicator does not reprint, and it's one of the best, my best love indicator that I use to analyze every trade, guys. I used to analyze every trade. So one thing about this indicator is that it shows you the direction of the market move in everything that you want to enter your trade, and it also helps us to identify the main key point for us to enter any trade. You can see this is step index on 5 minute time frames. You can see this particular arrow, it will appear on your charts, and once it appears on your chart, it does not reprint again. So just imagine that you take this step index from this particular area and you begin to take it on a uptrend massively up to this particular time. Just imagine how much that one is going to be. It's going to be a massive profit, guys. It's going to be a massive profit. So another one showed to us that we have a downtrend here, but it has showing to us that we should take our profit level at this particular area. Likewise, this I told you guys that if you are using this indicator, these are the key points that you need to understand. The first thing is that when you are trading for uptrend, you have to identify your light red 9 at this particular zone. Once it touches this our support level, then you should know that that market is about to go down. You can see it want to touch it at this particular zone, but it did not touch it, but it later touched it at this particular zone. You can see currently now the market is still on this particular zone. So it's for us to take this market at this particular zone. When we have entered at this particular zone, you will see. So what we are expecting now is that the market have touched our support resistance zone. So it's either we go for a pull down little bit. So that might happen, and we can see what happened here. We have the market go here, and we can see this our light green 9 at this particular zone. It has touched our resistance level. So this shows to us that this particular market has reached the zone for us to reverse. So this is a level for us to take out our trade. So we can see this another. You can see this is so massive, guys. This is so massive. You can see we have a better chance of our trade at this particular zone. We have our another signal at this particular zone, and it shows to us that we are going on a massive uptrend at this particular zone. You can see what happened here. If we enter our trade around this particular zone, you can see what the market is going to do. The market is going to give you a massive uptrend here. It's going to give you a massive uptrend here. You can see what happened here. So this is going to be our take profit one, because it reached our support level here. This is a first take profit, and the trend still continue. You can see that the trend still continue. And this is another take profit too. You can see the trend still continue, the uptrend still continue massive, and this is our take profit 3 before we have another arrow indicator appear. So this is massive, guys. So we have another one here that shows that we have a downtrend, and you can see what the downtrend did. The downtrend move according to our indicator, and these are the things that we are looking for us to take our profits. We are looking this light green arrow when it touched together with this resistance level. You can see it touched together with this our resistance level, and this is where we are taking up our trade. This is where we are taking out our trade. So you can see that immediately it touches, what happened next is that the market reverse. So these are the things that you need to understand about this trade, about trading with this particular indicator. I tell you guys, this indicator is so massive, is so profitable in every way. All what you need to do is to have the full knowledge of how this indicator works, and it's going to help you to skyrocket your profit every single day. So we can see this. It shows to us that we have another uptrend massive at this particular zone, and that is so massive, guys. We have another uptrend here, and you can see what the market did. This is our take profit level 1, and the market reversed a little bit and still continue the move until we have our take profit 2. You can see that. So this indicator is so massive, guys. It helps us to only take profits every day. Profits every day. You can see this is another one. This is another one on a massive uptrend, and we can see this is another downtrend signal. This is another downtrend signal. You can see what happened. So this is massive, guys. We have another one. This is uptrend. This is just uptrend, guys. This is just uptrend, and we have another one here. This is downtrend. You can see this is downtrend. So for you to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to reach our Telegram group. Join our Telegram group, and also you can send me a DM and I will respond to you. I promise you guys that I will always respond to you. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video.